All right, again, we have e this time, slightly different, but we have something out in front, so we got to get rid of that 1,000 first. Okay, that's gone. Now we have e to the 0.05x equals, now you're canceling a bunch of zeros along the way, or it equals 10. Now the nice thing about this is that we have a natural log that makes us happy. Okay, now we just did this change of base formula. Where that came from is taking the log of both sides, but if we have a log of e, we're going to take the natural log, because that's going to basically make this whole side kind of go away. This thing goes out in front. You got 0.05 times x times the natural log of e equals the natural log of 10. Okay, when you take the natural log of e, you get a 1. Okay, just to remind you, the natural log of e is equal to 1 because the base matches. You've got a base of e. E to the first equals e. That's why you take the natural log, because it makes life easier. So when you take the natural log of both sides, and if you even kind of think about it, you're rewriting this. Let me go back and rewrite it. It's important that we understand the different ways of doing this so you can do it on your own at some point. If you rewrite this as an exponent, you've got a log base e of 10 equals that. Now you can write log base e of 10 equals 0.05x, but it's more letters than necessary, because if it's a base e, then it's a natural log, okay, of 10 equals 0.05x. So we got this doing it that way. We kind of got this doing it another way, but we had just to remember that that's just e, or just 1. So you end up with the same thing. Go to your calculator. The natural log of 10 is equal to 2.3-ish, but now you got to divide that by 0.05. And you get 46.05. And to test that, if you don't do 1,000 times e to the x times 0.05 times 46. Now that's, oops, times 46. It's a rough approximation, you're rounding, but that should give us around 10,000. And you see it's 25 off. You go back and do the same thing, 46.05, what was it? 0517. It's going to get you a lot closer. You don't think that's as big of a difference, but look at that. Pretty big difference. 46.0517, just for kicks now. 17. And then lastly, we'll do this. You divide by 2, and you get e to the x minus 3 equals 9. I'm going to go ahead and do the shorter version here. Rewrite it as a log, but knowing it's a natural, it's an e, do the natural log. Natural log of 9 equals x minus 3. Okay, natural log of this equals the exponent. So, natural log of 9, add 3, so you got 5.197. There it is.